The Robert W. Woodruff Foundation is one of the most prominent philanthropic institutions in the United States, known for its enduring contributions to education, healthcare, the arts, and community development, particularly in the southeastern U.S. Founded by Coca-Cola magnate Robert Winship Woodruff, the foundation reflects the legacy and values of a man whose business acumen and philanthropic spirit helped shape modern Atlanta and elevate numerous institutions in Georgia and beyond. Origins and founding vision. The Robert W. Woodruff Foundation was established in 1937, originally under the name the Trevor Foundation, Trevor being Robert spelled backward. It was renamed in 1985 after Woodruff's death to honor his life and contributions. Robert W. Woodruff, who led the Coca-Cola Company from the 1920s to the 1950s and remained an influential figure thereafter, became one of the key business leaders in Atlanta's rise as a major U.S. city. Woodruff inherited a deep sense of civic duty from his father and believed that business success should be accompanied by social responsibility. His philosophy was simple yet powerful: the wealth generated by business should be reinvested into the community to improve lives. Mission and objectives. The foundation's mission is centered around supporting charitable, scientific, and educational activities. It focuses its funding on areas where it can have a significant and lasting impact, especially in the state of Georgia. Its primary focus areas include community development. Through its grants, the foundation aims to improve the quality of life in communities by enhancing opportunities, promoting equity, and supporting institutions that are catalysts for progress. Major contributions and impact. Higher education. One of the foundation's most significant areas of giving has been education, particularly in support of Emory University in Atlanta. In 1979, the foundation made a transformative gift of $105 million in Coca-Cola stock to Emory, at the time the largest single donation to an educational institution in American history. This gift helped elevate Emory's status as a world-class research university and strengthened its programs in medicine, law, and the liberal arts. The foundation has also supported other educational institutions, such as the Georgia Institute of Technology, Morehouse College, and the Atlanta Public School System, contributing to academic excellence and equity in education. Healthcare and medical research. Woodruff's interest in health led to substantial donations to hospitals and medical research institutions. The Emory University School of Medicine and the Woodruff Health Sciences Center bear his name and have received continued support for research, faculty endowments, and healthcare infrastructure. The foundation has also funded major initiatives aimed at improving public health services, including grants to Grady Memorial Hospital, Atlanta's major public hospital, ensuring better access to care for underserved populations. Arts and culture. The Robert W. Woodruff Foundation is also a pillar of Atlanta's cultural community. It has been instrumental in the development and sustainability of institutions such as the Woodruff Arts Center, which houses the High Museum of Art, the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra, and the Alliance Theater, Atlanta History Center, and Atlanta Botanical Garden. These institutions not only provide cultural enrichment but also serve as vital educational and economic drivers in the region. Community development and public policy. The foundation has also invested in urban development projects and policy initiatives that promote civic engagement and address systemic inequities. Its support for the Atlanta Beltline, a sustainable redevelopment project that transforms abandoned railway corridors into multi-use trails and parks, is a prime example of its commitment to urban revitalization. It also supports policy research, nonprofit capacity building, and leadership development programs that strengthen community infrastructure. Governance and leadership. The foundation is governed by a board of trustees that includes business leaders, educators, and civic figures. It operates independently of the Coca-Cola Company, although the company's stock has historically contributed significantly to the foundation's endowment. Over the years, it has maintained a disciplined and strategic approach to philanthropy, focusing on long-term outcomes rather than short-term gains. This has helped preserve Robert Woodruff's vision of responsible stewardship and community upliftment. Legacy and continuing influence. Robert W. Woodruff once said, "There is no limit to what a man can do or where he can go if he doesn't mind who gets the credit." This ethos continues to guide the Foundation's work. Its influence is visible across Georgia, from the classrooms of Emory University to the emergency rooms of Grady Hospital, from the galleries of the High Museum to the trails of the Beltline. As it moves forward, the Robert W. Woodruff Foundation remains a cornerstone of Southern philanthropy and a model of impactful giving, upholding a legacy that prioritizes education, equity, and opportunity for all.